The Nonquon River is by far the most well-known tributary of Lake Scugog. The Nonquon River originates on the Oak Ridges Moraine and flows in a northerly direction to the west of Lake Scugog and ultimately drains into the western shore near the village of Seagrave. The largest tributary is the Layton River, and that joins the Nonquon River just upstream of Seagrave. According to local community members, the Nonquon River is where walleye have always come to spawn. We're curious to know if this is still the case or if minor adjustments need to be made to the habitat. Given the natural characteristics of the river, we know that walleye aren't likely to spawn along its entire length. Walleye tend to prefer relatively fast-flowing sections of the river with coarse substrates. This pocket of habitat only occurs in certain sections of the river. It's only when you travel up past Seagrave does the river have more cobbles and boulders. When we talk to the local community, they indicate they've noticed significant changes to the Nonquon River over time. In particular, an increase in aquatic plants and algae. Some of the data that's been collected through the Lake Scugog Environmental Management Plan implementation project also indicate there's problems in the river. Some of the data shows that there's dissolved oxygen issues near the outlet, but this is not likely attributed to the wastewater pollution control plant upstream. It's likely due to other sources, the cause of which is to be determined. That's why this research is so important. So what we're doing for this particular project is investigating what tributaries are the best in terms of supporting spawning populations of walleye. So we're partnering with several landowners who live along tributaries next to the lake, and we're walking up and downstream these sections, identifying areas of optimal habitat. We're looking at parameters including dissolved oxygen, substrate conditions, pH, water depth, and water velocity. This information will ultimately help prioritize restoration and monitoring efforts for the benefit of the walleye. In the meantime, what residents along the river can do is to naturalize their shorelines. This is relatively easy to do and has immediate impact on the quality of the river.